Have you ever felt like your salary just disappears as soon as it hits your bank account? You're not alone. Many people find themselves stuck in a cycle where their income only covers basic expenses, leaving nothing to save or invest. This constant pressure can feel suffocating, with bills piling up and financial worries becoming part of daily life. But it doesn't have to be this way. Today, we're going to break down a practical guide to help you transform your salary into real wealth and finally achieve the financial security you've always wanted. No matter how much you earn, what truly matters is how you manage your money. Cycle of spending everything you earn creates a never-ending sense of financial stress. Each month, new bills arrive, debts accumulate, and the anxiety about money becomes a routine. But here's the good news: you can break free from this pattern. The key isn't about earning more right away, but about making smarter choices with what you already have. Even small changes in your financial habits can make a huge difference over time. Think of building wealth as climbing a mountain. Every step brings you closer to the top. It may seem tough at first, but with a clear plan and consistent actions, the journey becomes easier and more predictable. Help you on this journey, I'll share 5 simple steps that can pull you out of financial stagnation and help you build a solid foundation for your future. These strategies work for anyone, regardless of income, and you can start implementing them right away. If you're ready to take control of your money and finally make your salary work for you, stay with me. Your financial future starts now. Let's dive into the first step: building your financial base. Before you even think about investing, it's crucial to get out of financial trouble. If you're still struggling to pay your bills or living on the edge of overdraft, any investment could turn into a risk instead of an opportunity. So the first step to creating wealth is to organize your financial base. There are 2 main goals here. First, save $2,000 as quickly as possible. This emergency fund will protect you from unexpected events and keep you from relying on loans or credit cards in tough times. Second, pay off all high-interest debts. Credit cards, overdrafts, and predatory loans are real wealth killers. Why is having an emergency fund so important? Without it, any unexpected event like a car repair, health issue, or surprise bill can push you right back into debt. And as long as you're in the financial danger zone, banks will keep profiting at your expense by charging higher and higher interest rates. That's why building a safety net is your first priority. It's not just about avoiding debt, it's about gaining peace of mind and the freedom to make better financial decisions. But what can you do in practice to get out of this situation? Start by cutting unnecessary expenses for at least 3 months. This means eliminating impulse purchases, skipping expensive restaurants, and reconsidering subscriptions you barely use. Even small adjustments can make a big difference by the end of the month. Think about cooking at home instead of eating out, and avoid travel unless it's essential. These sacrifices are temporary, but the benefits last much longer. Reducing your time on social media might seem unrelated, but it's actually a powerful way to control your spending. These platforms are designed to influence your buying behavior, often without you even realizing it. Ads, influencers, and irresistible promotions can tempt you to spend more than you should. By limiting your exposure and being more mindful, you can make smarter financial decisions and avoid unnecessary purchases. You feel like your salary just vanishes every month and you never have anything left. It's time to change that reality. Most people pay their bills and have no idea where the rest of their money went. But there's a simple method to organize your finances and secure your future: the 75-15-10 rule. This strategy helps you distribute your income wisely: 75% for essentials, 15% for investments, and 10% for emergencies. How do you apply the 75-15-10 rule in daily life? Separate your money into 3 different bank accounts: one for daily expenses, one for investments, and one for emergencies. Or as soon as you get paid, automatically distribute your salary among these accounts. This way you avoid the temptation to overspend and always have resources set aside for the future. Small changes like this can make a big difference over time, and the sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. If you want to escape financial stagnation and build a more stable future, you need to eliminate unnecessary interest from your life. Often, without realizing it, you're making banks and financial institutions richer instead of making your money work for you. The money you spend on interest payments could be invested to generate more wealth and provide long-term security. To avoid falling into the interest trap, follow 2 fundamental rules. First, don't finance anything that doesn't generate financial returns. Paying in installments might seem convenient, but it usually ends up costing much more than the original price. If an asset doesn't bring in income or contribute to your financial growth, it's probably not worth financing. Instead, save up and pay in full to get discounts and avoid extra charges. Great way to avoid impulsive purchases is to follow the rule of 5. If you can't afford to buy 5 of the same item at once, you can't afford to buy even one. This principle helps keep your finances balanced and ensures you don't stretch your budget on unnecessary or out-of-reach purchases. It's a simple mindset shift that can save you from a lot of regret and financial strain. Many people see financing a car as a natural next step, but it can be one of the worst financial decisions, especially if you haven't built a solid capital base. Long payment terms and high interest rates can tie up your income for years, preventing you from investing in opportunities that could actually grow your money. Before taking on such a big commitment, ask yourself if it's truly necessary or if there's a more affordable alternative. If you have financial commitments draining your income with high interest, your top priority should be to pay them off as soon as possible. This will help you regain control over your money and redirect your resources toward investments that generate real returns. Freeing yourself from debt and high interest rates is one of the most important steps to transforming your financial life and achieving the independence you desire. Remember, every dollar you save today can multiply in the future if invested wisely. Making smart decisions now builds a solid path toward financial freedom. It's not just about cutting expenses, but about using your resources in ways that help your money grow. With each step, you're moving closer to your goals and breaking free from the cycle of debt. Cutting expenses is important, but increasing your income is what truly accelerates your financial transformation. The more you earn, the faster you can invest and build wealth. There are several strategies to boost your income, and you can start exploring them today. Let's look at some practical ways to make more money and speed up your journey to financial freedom. If you're already performing well at your job, don't hesitate to talk to your boss about a raise or promotion. Show your value and seek recognition for your contributions. Sometimes, just asking can open doors to better pay and new opportunities. Prepare your case, highlight your achievements, and approach the conversation with confidence. Consider working as a freelancer or taking on side gigs. Platforms like Uber and various online services offer great opportunities to earn extra money in your spare time. Whether it's driving, delivering, or offering your skills online, these options can supplement your main income and help you reach your financial goals faster. Launching your own digital business or investing in new skills can open doors to additional income streams or even a new career. The internet offers countless opportunities for entrepreneurship, from e-commerce to online courses and consulting. By learning and adapting, you can create a business that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. Specializing in high-demand fields can significantly increase your earning potential. Research the market and look for courses or certifications that can boost your professional value. The more in demand your skills, the better your chances of landing higher-paying opportunities. Continuous learning is key to staying competitive and growing your income. As you start earning more, you can invest more, pay off debts faster, and accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. The key is to use your increased income wisely. Don't let lifestyle inflation eat up your gains. Stay focused on your goals and let every extra dollar work for your future. Most people get stuck aiming for small goals and limit their own growth. But if you can dream big, why not act big? If your goal is to save $100,000, why not aim for $1 million? This shift in mindset changes everything about how you approach your financial journey. It's time to think bigger and take bigger actions. Apply the 10x principle. Multiply your efforts by 10 to achieve results that once seemed impossible. Thinking big requires taking bold actions. This doesn't mean taking reckless risks, but rather being strategic and ambitious in your approach. The bigger your ambition, the greater your growth. Expanding your financial mindset starts with education. Read books about finance and entrepreneurship. Knowledge is power, and understanding how money works makes all the difference. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and spot new opportunities. Your environment has a direct impact on your results. Surround yourself with people who think big and motivate you to aim higher. Being around ambitious, positive individuals can inspire you to push your limits and achieve more than you thought possible. Choose your company wisely and seek out mentors who can guide your growth. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Success requires courage, but well-planned decisions reduce the chances of failure. The more ambitious your goals, the more you'll need to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, every successful person has taken risks to get where they are today. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but with discipline and a solid strategy, it's absolutely possible to transform your financial life. The secret isn't just earning more, but knowing how to use your money wisely. Most people spend their lives working just to pay bills, never seeing their money truly grow. But when you learn to control your finances, invest wisely, and increase your income, you start breaking the cycle and moving toward true financial freedom. Small adjustments today can lead to big results in the future. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll see your financial situation transform. Don't underestimate the power of consistent, positive habits. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals, and over time, these efforts compound into real wealth. Let's recap the 5 steps. First, build your financial base with an emergency fund to avoid unpleasant surprises. Second, organize your money with a budget that works for you. Third, neutralize high interest rates by paying off expensive debts. Fourth, transform your income by finding new ways to earn and increase your investment power. And fifth, expand your mindset. Big thinkers achieve big results. By following these steps, you'll never have to worry about money again. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll see your life change. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start applying these strategies now. Remember, the secret isn't in how much you earn, but in how you manage, invest, and grow your money. Take control of your finances, break the cycle of debt, and build the wealth and security you deserve. Your future self will thank you.